thing, when we are dealing with the file and we are reading and writing, so we have written a program that counts, or just assume that we wrote a program that count the total number of characters present in that file. So if we use the program to count the number of characters present in the, say, some poem.txt, this is imaginary file, and if we count it to be 101, but if you go to the directory and we see that it shows 105 characters. Why are these 4 characters deficit, or why is this 4 more? There is a discrepancy. That is what is the awkward new line. This discrepancy occurs when we attempt to write /n to the file using the fputs. What this fputs does, it takes /n and it puts /r/n instead of /n. So this is a combination. This /r is nothing but the carriage return and /n is the line feed. So if we read back now, we have done it using fputs. When we use it, we use fgetS, the reverse conversion happen. So when we write the first line of the, say, some file and a /n using 2 calls of fputs, we get this, right? /r/n in the place of /n. So when the same line is now read, it is being read back into the array, say this buffer as a character array. If you use fgetS, the array will contain like this, not /r/n but /n/0, and the conversion of /n to /r/n and then again /r/n to /r. This is the feature of standard library function, and this is not the feature of operating system. So operating system will count /r and /n as separate characters, as 2 characters. So if we have, say, some 4 lines, you will always find in that we assume that our file has 4 lines. So we have 4 /n to /r/n conversion. So as we have 4 character more, it will count, the operating system is going to count 4 more. That is why the discrepancy is there. Record input output in file. We can read 1 by 1 character, we can read 1 by 1